हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे फोर सेट वेन डायग्राम्स की। कैट 2020 स्लॉट 1 में फोर सेट वेन डायग्राम्स के क्वेश्चन आए थे। क्वेश्चन सिंपल होते हैं पर बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत मुश्किल लगते हैं। तो हमारी कोशिश आज यही है कि आपके इस डर को हम लोग हमेशा के लिए दूर कर दें। लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चन ऑन फोर सेट वेन डायग्राम्स दैट वाज देयर। नाउ इसकी ड्राइंग और रिप्रेजेंटेशन कुछ ऐसी है जैसा फिगर में रहता है। द बेसिक आइडिया कि हम लोग इसको इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट क्यों करते हैं, बिकॉज एक फोर सेट वेन डायग्राम में 15 रीजन्स होते हैं। when I'm saying four set Venn diagram, so it is 2 to the power 4 minus 1, which is not possible in case when we are drawing it in the form of circles. समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, जब मैं regions कह रहा हूं तो उसका मेरा मतलब क्या है। Now, this is a typical three set Venn diagram that we are talking about. Now, when we are looking at a typical three set Venn diagram, this is represented as set A. This, let's say, is represented as set B, and this is represented as set C. Now, this region is A, this region is B, this region is C, or let's say only C, only B, and only C. This region would be AB, this region would be ABC, this region would be AC, and this region would be BC. So in a typical three set Venn diagram, we are talking in terms of 7 regions. Similarly, in a four set Venn diagram, it is 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 15 regions. Now, what are the 15 regions? If we try understanding, let's have a look at the different regions. Now, this, if we see here, is a representative of A, the whole set of A. Now, A can be A, AB, AC, ABC, ABCD. Okay. Now, so see, this is only A. Just a minute. This is only A. This is AB. This is B. This is AC. This is ABC. This part is BC. This is C. Now, this is D as well coming into the equation. So we'll have ACD. We'll have ABCD. We will have BCD. We'll have CD. Okay. We will have AD. We will have ABD. We will have BD. And we will have D. So when we count, we get 15 distinct regions. Now, anyone who is clear about this will be able to solve most of the questions related to the set. Okay, so now let's look at the question. So there are 1,000 patients who are suffering from various kinds of, who are suffering from a disease, and they have been given 4 kinds of medicines, A, B, C, and D. We have divided the patients into 2 groups, the treatment group and the control group. The control group has not been given any medicine. The treatment group is the one that have been provided with some or the other kind of medicines. Okay, and both of them have been divided equally into 2 distinct groups. So we have 500 patients in the treatment group and 500 patients in the control group. This ABCD represents the 500 patients in the treatment group. So let's make a mental note that we have 500 patients whom we are talking about here. So for those who have not read the question, I would suggest just take my question पढ़ लेते हैं so that we have a clear-cut understanding as to what we are trying to solve. So let's, for those who have not read this, can pause the video over here and have a look at the different pointers that have been mentioned from A, B, C, D to F in order to solve the question. And whatever data that we get pertaining to all the points, we need to keep jotting around the notations. Okay. Okay, so let's begin solving the question. A total of 250 patients were treated with type A medicine. So A is 250 for us. And a total of 210 patients were treated with type C medicine. So 210. We do not have any data about how many patients were treated with type B or how many patients were treated with type D type of medicine. Okay, now 25 patients were treated with A only. So we keep this as 25. 20 were treated with C only. So we'll keep this data as 20. 10 were treated with D only. We'll keep this data as 10. 35 patients were treated with A and D. So we need to figure out AD. Where is AD? So we have 35 here. Okay. 20 were treated with AP. So this is 20 were treated with AB. 30 were treated with AC. 20 were treated with CD. So let's figure out where is CD. 20 were treated with CD. Okay. Now, 100 patients were treated with exactly 3 types of medicines. Now, when I say exactly 3 types of medicines, it can be ABC, it can be ACD, BCD, and ABD. So we need to keep a mental note, 100 patients. Okay. 40 patients were treated with A, B, and C, but not with D. So we have A, B, C कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है हमारे पास? वहां पर हम simply 40 लिख देंगे. 20 patients were treated with ACD, but not with B. ACD. So let's figure out where is ACD we have written. So we have written it here. 20 patients were treated with ACD, but not with type B. 50 patients were given all the 4 kinds of medicines. So we have 50 here. Okay. 75 patients were treated with exactly 1 type of medicine. Exactly 1, that is A plus B plus C plus D, has to be equal to 75. So let's write one equation here. A plus B plus C plus D is 75. Now the beauty with this is we know the value of A, C and D. A की वैल्यू हमारी 25 है, 25 plus 20 45, 45 plus 10 55. So B की वैल्यू हमारी ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाती है 20. So B की वैल्यू हम लोग 20 लिख देते हैं. Okay, now whatever the remaining values that we have, we need to figure out those values. That is the simple part while solving this question. So हमारे पास हमें सबसे पहले कौन सी वैल्यू दिख रही है जो अनअसर्टेन है. द पहली वैल्यू जो हमें दिखती है वो है ABD. Now ABD is coming under सेट ए. एक अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो सेट ए की हमारे पास सारी वैल्यूज है. सेट ए की टोटल वैल्यू भी है, सिर्फ ABD की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं है. So can we figure it out? The answer is yes. So we do 35 plus 20 55, 55 plus 30 85, 85 plus 25 90, 110, 130, 170, 220. So ABD की वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएगी 100. Okay, just we'll recheck. Okay, 35 plus 20 55, 55 plus 30 85, 90, 110, 130, 170, 220. This is 30. This value is 30. Okay, now so once I have got, so the next value that I need to assert is BC and BC, BCD and BD. Now when we are looking at okay, now the value ABC, we have this 100 patients here. Okay, so for 100 patients I know the value of ACD 20, 20 plus 40 60, 60 प्लस 30, 90. सो बी सी डी की हमारे पास वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली 10 आ जाती है. ओके, अब अगर ये मेरे पास वैल्यू 10 आ गई, मुझे सी की वैल्यू 210 दिखाई दे रही है. सो क्या मैं बी सी की वैल्यू निकाल सकता हूं? बिल्कुल हाँ. 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 20, 110, 120, 170, 190. तो BC की मेरी वैल्यू आ जाती है 20. ओके, अब सिर्फ हमारे पास इस पूरे घर में या पूरे स्ट्रक्चर में या पूरी ड्राइंग में सिर्फ एक ही वैल्यू जो है जिसकी हमें जानकारी नहीं है, दैट इज BD. ओके, कैसे निकालेंगे? हमारे पास एक डेटा है जो अभी तक हम लोगों ने इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है, दैट इज 500 पेशेंट्स. नाउ इस पूरे घर का सम जो है वो 500 होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड द ओनली डेटा दैट इज मिसिंग इज BD. लेट्स फिगर आउट हाउ मच इज BD. 35 plus 20, 55, 55 plus 30, 85, 85 plus 25, 90, 110, 130, 170, 220, 220, 250. या फिर अगर इसको हम ऐसे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ ए का ले लें, 250 होना ही होना है. 250, 270, 290, 300, 320, 340, 350. दैट मीन्स BD की हमारी वैल्यू है 150. Now, once I have this data, I have all the data that I need in order to solve the question. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. Take your time, solve them. Okay, so solve the questions before you look further into the video. Okay, how many patients were treated with medicine type B? So we just need to add all the boxes that are under B. So we say 30 plus 50, 80, 80 plus 40, 120, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190 plus 150, 340. So 340 patients were treated with medicine type B. Perfect. Let's look at the next question. The number of patients who were treated with medicine type BCD but not with type A. BCD हमारे पास कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? यहाँ पर. Answer is straight away 10. Okay, how many patients were treated with medicine types B and D? Only. BD हमारे पास कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? बस उसको देख लेना है. 150. That is the answer straight away. The number of patients who were treated with medicine type D was. Now, D की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है? 20 plus 50, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 100, 110, 110 plus 150, 260, 290, 290 and 25, that is 315. Okay, so the number of patients treated with medicine D would be 315. Okay, so this is a very simple way of solving the question. Okay, hope you have understood how to go about solving four-set Venn diagrams. It is about identifying the regions and just putting in the data in order to solve the question. If you have liked watching the video, okay, do click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you all of you.